Namaste everyone, respected dignitaries, doctors, professors and my dear friends. On behalf of the India Students Association at the University of Saskatchewan, I cordially welcome you to this wonderful evening. As a mark of respect, I request everybody to please stand up for the Indian and the Canadian national anthem, please. We'll have the Canadian national anthem. Thank you everybody. Oh, how beautifully our anthems have been scripted. And I quote to you from the Canadian national anthem. O Canada, we stand on guard for thee. And from the Indian national anthem, I quote, Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya 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 He, which means victory be unto us forever. On that note, we mark the beginning for a wonderful evening ahead. With more than 1.2 billion people, India, as a country, is the most populous democracy in the world, comprising of 36 states and union territories combined. It is the land that gave birth to about 30 different languages, Sanskrit being the mother or origin for most of them. And of course, Hindi and English are our official languages. Vedas and Upanishads that were born in India speak for the principles that we stand on. I read out to you a famous excerpt from Rig Veda, an oldest Indo-Aryan collection of Vedic Sanskrit hymns. And I quote, Ano Padraha Krtavo Yantu Vishvataha, which means, let noble thoughts come to us from every side. That's a wonderful line, isn't it? It is an example that speaks just for itself, the nation, its traditions, and our thoughts. On that note, we as ISA would like to quickly take you on a short tour to India. हमारे भारत में आप सबका स्वागत है. Oh, to have a filmy kickstart, let's talk about movies in India. India is the largest producer of films in the world. ये हुई ना बात. We are the film industry that is multilingual. We are so crazy that we actually give prefixes to our heroes. We call them superstar, power star, prince, and we are actually proud of it. From Shah Rukh Khan in the north to Rajinikanth in the south, as a nation, we just go gagas over heroes.
This is the tribunal to Delilah.
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি मैं तानु प्यार करदा नान उन्नाय कादली किरण ज्ञान निन्ने स्नेहितु नेन्न प्रेमिस्तुनानु मुझे तुमसे प्यार है. That was I love you for you in few different languages. I beg your pardon if I've done any mistakes. When we talk about India, it's inevitable not to talk about love. One of the finest examples of Mughal architecture, a World Heritage Site, and it is also considered as one of the wonders of the world, the mighty Taj Mahal was built in India. It was built by the great Emperor Shah Jahan in the fond memory of his loving wife Mumtaz Mahal. It stands as a symbol of love in our country. Yes, India is indeed the land of love. Since we've already spoken and got acquainted about Shah Rukh Khan, it's inevitable not to talk about Dil Wale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम.
You're supposed to sing this. तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम. तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम. अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम, तेरी बाहों में मर जाए.
In India, we give importance to so many subtle emotions. We value a lot of relationships. One of the examples that I quote to you here in this context is the Vidai ceremony. It is one of the famous and important rituals in most of the Indian weddings. Vidai, meaning goodbye, is a ceremony where the bride's parents and her family accompany her post the wedding to the groom, officially bidding her a goodbye. These emotions are so precious to any girl who gets married, and of course to her family too. After all, even though she's getting married to her Prince Charming, she will obviously miss her family, her first love. It's one of the most popular and favorite sports in India. And of course, is our religion, then Sachin Tendulkar is our God. The Indian cricket team presently that is led by Mahendra Singh Dhoni is ranked number 3 in the Test cricket and number 1 in One Day International. अगर मैं इंडिया क्रिकेट टीम के रिकॉर्ड्स के बारे में बात करने लगूंगी तो सुबह हो जाएगी. Cricket in India is managed by the Board of Control for Cricket India (BCCI), the richest cricket board in the cricketing world. The BCCI in India also hosts the Indian Premier League, which is a 2020 cricket tournament that is played in our country. Here, players from various international teams play for 8 franchisee teams under one roof, competing for the title.
Well, this little man is the nearest thing to Bradman there's ever been. What a player he is.
Miles.
Oh, he's hit this one, Miles. Great shot. Oh, it's a big straight over the top. The little man has hit the big fella for 6. He's off his size. And he's smashed him down the ground. What a player. What a wonderful player.
सिर्फ देखने का नहीं.
Now, the time has come to pay respect to our motherland, Bharat Mata. Vande Mataram, which means I praise the mother. By mother, the poet here meant motherland or Bharat Mata. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in Bengali and Sanskrit had written this poem. It was considered a source of inspiration to our countrymen in their struggle during independence, and hence it was chosen as our national song. As a mark of respect, before actually getting into the evening, I sing to you Vande Mataram now. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Suchalam Suphalam, Malayaj Shitalam, Sasya Syamalam, Mataram, Vande Mataram,